Hi, I'm Vince.
Hi, I am Monica.
Congratulations on making it through this course. Now you're going to get a sneak peek on what an interview on the topics in this course would be like.
We hope this will let you know what to expect in your next interview.
What interests you in a career in cloud data analytics?
I have always been very passionate with numbers. I understood and worked them very well through high school. I remember math being one of my subjects with my highest score in my report card. And then when I have to choose for a career path, I decided to do computer information system, which was like the business and also like the technical side of analysis. One of the projects that I worked while in the university was to create a data set schema. And I remember then I was amazed by everything data. So that's what got me into data analytics.
So tell me about your work experience and how that prepares you for a role in data and analytics.
Previous role that I had was in IT technician. Part of my role was to be responsible creating a dashboard to show the usability of a tool. After the analysis, we concluded that the tool was being used, but just by promoting it a little bit more could be more useful and decrease the time of troubleshooting for the techs.
What are some ways that cloud computing can be challenging for a company?
Cloud computing can be challenging for a company integrating data from these different sources. Also compliances, they have to meet the strict regulators and the privacy standard.
Can you talk a little bit about your experience with either of those two areas?
Sure. I would say when I created the dashboard that I was talking earlier, all the information that I was using was for different data sources. So I have to basically clean and then join them using the same attributes.
So imagine this scenario. A stakeholder approaches you and says that they need a report on company payments. As an analyst, how would you intake this request?
If a stakeholder comes to me asking for a report of payments, I will ask some questions. Some of the questions that I would ask is, what is the objective of this analysis so I know the purpose of it? I would also ask the times. Does he want to do an analysis of a year, of 2 years, of like just a month, so I can gather the information, the data that I just need for that dashboard. And lastly, I would ask if there's any PII or data security request for this dashboard.
All right, so you've completed your requirements gathering. What are a couple of things you might need to start the analysis?
So the first thing that I would do is to make sure the data is valid, the one that I'm working with. And after that, I would just analyze it using query.
What would you query the data with?
I will use SQL to query the data.
What's an example of a system that might enable you to query it with SQL?
Sure, one example of that could be BigQuery.
Okay, Monica, I want to thank you for interviewing with us. I really wish you good luck with the rest of the process.
Thank you, Vincent. Thank you so much for your time and consideration.
In this scenario, Monica showed how to talk through your answers and show your thinking. By sharing your thought process, you demonstrate what you know and how you solve problems. Problem solving is a top skill hiring managers are looking for. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more tips.